To address the E03 error code on a Bosch dishwasher, it is essential to understand what this code signifies. The E03 error code indicates a main control board relay fault. Several factors can contribute to this issue, including an auxiliary heater relay fault on the main control board or a faulty water inlet valve. To resolve this problem, start by resetting the power to the dishwasher. This can be done by turning the dishwasher off and disconnecting it from the power source entirely, either by unplugging it from the wall or switching it off at the circuit if it is hardwired. Leave the dishwasher disconnected for at least 30 seconds before restoring power and turning it back on. If this step does not resolve the issue, consider contacting support for further assistance. Reach out to the official support numbers, having the model number and production code of the appliance readily available. If the issue cannot be resolved over the phone, arrange for a visit from a qualified engineer to diagnose and fix the problem.